Hi, this is Lenore with Lights, Camera, Selfies, and we're so excited. We have this new feature with our photo booth, and we're just so thrilled to be able to bring this to our customers. This is a virtual photo booth, which is so exciting. In this time of COVID, when a lot of people are having much smaller gatherings and you're having between 6 and 12 people, you want to have the memories. You want to have the commemorative photos. You want people to be able to share because you're not able to have 100 people at your party. So this is a unique way to do this. And by creating a virtual photo booth, you can take photos, you can take gifts, you will all have the custom branding placed on the photos for you. And then you can send it out and also have a live gallery so that all your friends can see what's going on at your event. And even if they're not at the event, they can utilize the QR code and add their own pictures. Depending if it's a birthday, maybe they'll give you a champagne toast or anything like that. You can let your friends outside of the event also be a part of it. Let me show you how. Once we set this all up, we will create a QR code for you. Now, this QR code is for a lawn display that we're going to be doing with the signs of kindness. So I'm going to go ahead and show you with this one. This is a personalized QR code that you get directly for your event. And whether they scan it today or they scan it in 3 days, people will still have access to this. So that makes it even exciting. So the first thing you want to do is open up your camera in your phone. Very simple. You can see I opened up my camera. And then you want to focus on the QR code. And once you're focused on the QR code, you will see that a new link has appeared. And you just click on the link. You don't take a photo or anything. You just click on the link. And now you'll see this link has brought you to the virtual photo booth. And this photo booth will let you do many different things. For this example that I'm doing, we set up for boomerangs and we set up for gifts. Boomerangs or photos. So then once you decide, you press on Start Virtual Photo Booth, which is this big purple button. And the first thing it's going to do, it's going to ask your permission if it can access your camera, which you have to grant that if you would like to get photos taken. And then you choose whether you want a photo or you want a boomerang. So I'm going to allow it to go to my camera, and then I'm going to press photo. And now it's telling me to get ready so that you can take it. You take your picture and you can see now my picture is there. And it's asking me, do I like it? Do I want to retake it or do I like it? And I like this one. So then I'm going to press share. You follow the purple button. And now it's asking if you would like the overlay. This is the border that will appear on it. So now you can see the complete border is on your photo, just like a regular photo booth. Then from here, you click share. And now this client has chosen for everything to be sent via email, but you can also choose to have it sent text. So depending on which one the client chooses, you click on this. And now I'm putting in my email and then you hit submit. And what happens is it has now sent my picture to the live gallery. It's also sent it to my email. Now, one unique thing that's exciting about these parties and stuff is being able to see the live gallery. So you can see all the different pictures that have been taken. Well, this virtual photo booth allows that. So what happens is, as you can see down here, there's been 4 pictures taken for this virtual photo booth. And if you want to see, it says view all 4. So you can click on that, view all 4, and now it's taking you there and all the pictures are there. You can see we've been playing around with it a little bit tonight. So now that's exciting, and then you can just continue on. You can take more and more photos if you want. You can share and see with all your friends. But it is such an easy process and perfect for the times when you're having a small gathering, or maybe you're having a big gathering and you just can't afford a photo booth and the whole setup and backdrop and everything. So we encourage you to reach out to us, give us a call, check out our Facebook page, and hopefully you can subscribe down here for our page here, our YouTube channel. We like to do lots of things for photo booth, yard cards, and balloons, and a few other little crafts and different things that we do. But we hope you come back, and we hope you consider having a virtual photo booth. And one cool thing about the virtual photo booth, you don't have to be in South Florida to utilize this photo booth. We can work with you anywhere you want. Are you in Alaska? Are you in California? We can set this up for you for wherever you are. So give us a call. Don't worry about where you're located. We can help you anywhere you like. And now again, this is Lenore with Lights, Camera, Selfies. I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.